just to give you guys a heads up, these knives are not dishwasher safe. So make sure you're aware of that. Once you dry them up, you wash them and you dry them, all right? Make sure they're nice and dry first. Get all the moisture out. You don't want, because these are steel, they could oxidate on you and get rusted. So be careful about that too. If you do see some rust in here, you can always scrape it off, right? So just make sure you dry them up first. Once you dry them up, suggestion, get another napkin. Another empty napkin, put olive oil or oil. Let it soak up. Mix it up if you can. It's embedded into the napkin, all right? Then run it through the whole thing so you can avoid any of that. I do this to these knives because it's specialty knives that you want to keep them nice and sharp. That's perfect for anybody that's going to use these knives, all right? Always make sure you do the handles, because this is the most weakest part of the actual knife that gets oxidated first. So make sure you do that part. And that's it. Maintenance on your knives.